Hey friends, let's see today's current affair. The first topic is Northern Interaction 2023. It's a drill organized by PLA, stand for Pupils Liberation Army, Northern Theater Command. A Chinese naval flotilla recently set off to join Russian naval and air forces in the Sea of Japan to participate in the Northern Interaction 2023 military drills. Next one is pilot whales slaughtered. 78 long fined pilot whales, a species of oceanic dolphins. तो pilot whale क्या है? Oceanic dolphins है. तो 28 long fined pilot whales slaughtered पाए गए हैं. Were slaughtered near the capital of Faroe Island recently. तो किसके नियर में? Faroe Island के. Pilot whales are one of the largest members of the dolphin family. तो dolphin family का ये largest members हैं. They belong to the dolphin family Delphinidae. There are two species of pilot whales, short fined pilot whales and long fined pilot whales. जिसमें से long fined pilot whales slaughtered पाए गए हैं. Next है foreign cicada, assumed an Indian entity. It's an insect species that has now been named as Purana chivida. Let's see another headline. Alaska Peninsula, 7.2 magnitude earthquake. A powerful 7.2 magnitude earthquake recently struck the Alaska Peninsula region. तो Alaska Peninsula क्या है? Is a long narrow strip of land located in the southwestern part of the US state of Alaska. It extends about 800 kilometers. It separates the Pacific Ocean from Bristol Bay. Next is PM Mitra scheme. Mega textile parks in Maharashtra and Gujarat. Prime Minister of India has lauded the foundation stone laying of two mega textile parks in Maharashtra and Gujarat under the PM Mega Integrated Textile Regions and Apparel PM Mitra scheme. तो मित्रा का फुल फॉर्म क्या है? इंटीग्रेटेड टेक्सटाइल रीजन्स एंड अपीयरल, राइट. नेक्स्ट है हमारा रामघर विषधारी टाइगर रिजर्व वर्थ ऑफ कर्ब्स इन बुंडी राजस्थान डिस्ट्रिक्ट. नेक्स्ट लोकल करेंसी सेटलमेंट LCS system India and UAE. India and UAE signed a historic memorandum of understanding on local currency settlement LCS system. तो LCS का full form है local currency settlement, right? So thank you. Keep watching my videos.